Breaking Universal Studios Florida news. Over to you, Big G.
Big G here, reporting live from the fog. Universal's Halloween Horror Nights is officially back at Universal Studios Orlando. Select nights from August 28th to November 1st. Yes, that's over 2 months of screams, fog and poor decision making after dark. We're talking haunted houses, scare zones that will catch you off guard, and vibes that say, I paid to be afraid and I regret nothing. Whether you're a walk-through with confidence person or holding the map like a shield person, HHN remains undefeated. And now I need to know, what houses or scare zones do you want to see this year? Or if you're a veteran, which past HHN house lives rent-free in your head? Drop it in the comments. I'm taking notes. For science, Big G, signing off.
Surviving the night, probably screaming. Definitely worth it though.